Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Who says you need a fancy walk-in closet to organize and display your shoes? These DINMO 10-pack shoe boxes with dividers beautifully store and display my shoes. So I can see exactly what I have and they're at my fingertips. The doors are clear so you can see which shoe that you're looking for, and the back is ventilated. And the configuration can be customized. You choose how many you want in a row, up and down, and it stores a total of 20 shoes. The doors have nice magnets that secure them when you close them, and the handle makes it so easy to open up. They're large enough to hold my heels, and it's just so nice to get my shoes out from the bottom of my closet where I can't see them, or keep them neat and clean and organized. Now I know where my shoes are. I can find them easily. And this display is just so beautiful in my small bedroom. But I didn't need a walk-in closet to make this happen with these DINMO shoe boxes. I'm so pleased with them, and I love how they look in my bedroom. And that's my point of view.